Hola, ¿qué pasa, chicos? Estoy en la playa de Castelldefels. Esperia que estic bien. That meant I hope you're doing well. Now, trust me, I don't have internet connection there, so I had to literally learn this line by heart. Anyway, guys, welcome to the channel. I am in Spain. I am in Barcelona on a beach near the town of Castelldefels. I rode about 20 minutes on the train to get to this place. I've taken one day for myself. This is the last day. I've been here for more than 10 days now. So this is my last day here, and I think I'm going to be spending it sharing my experience with you.
I created a video about Schengen visa a few days ago, and this trip is the result of getting that visa. I have to say I was nervous about flying since the last time I flew was back in February 2020. After COVID vaccinations, passenger locator forms, masks, and social distancing, I arrived in Spain. A mere 2-hour flight from Ireland that cost me just 15 euros. Yep, no kidding. That's Ryanair for you.
Quick disclaimer, it's freaking hot in this country.
And this is Barcelona, Spain. I chose the place because it's easy to fly to, the weather is gorgeous, and it has a completely opposite culture to white European countries. I wanted it to feel different being here, and I wasn't disappointed. Now, I don't want to take anything away from the people who earn a living from the Spanish tourism industry, and I think they are the ones who deserve to tell you about their place and their country. So I'll try not to act smart and only share what being in Spain felt like.
And that's the Mediterranean Sea, guys. There's Morocco on the other side, and it's just a perfect destination.
So Barcelona is the home of the Catalan architect Antoni Gaudí, who lived in the 18th century, and the city has taken its shape around his work. The great cathedral Sagrada Familia being his most renowned work. The architecture is so modern and unique that it's still under construction because they simply didn't have the technology or the way of building what Gaudí had designed. It was truly a design from the future. Apart from great food, colorful culture, and wonderful people, if there's anything outstanding about Barcelona, it's football. It practically runs like blood through the veins of the people. And I didn't want to miss a chance to witness a game at the iconic Camp Nou Stadium.
So that is how the city looks like and feels like, and that is something you don't find on the internet in photographs. So this is the only way to get a very local experience, something that you can't do when you're traveling with someone, with a bunch of friends or something. You tend to visit touristy places, so I think it's best if you just take public transport and take a walk in the city, be it any place, Barcelona or anywhere else. So that's just what I'm doing, because these are the things that I remember when I go back.
Now, Barcelona is the capital of Catalonia region, which is struggling to get independence from Spain for centuries. So if you think Barcelona was truly Spanish, then keep it to yourself when you visit the place. The people of Catalonia have a fierce sense of identity, and they identify themselves as Catalonians.
Now, I don't really want to take it away from the people who work in tourism industry. I think they are the ones who deserve to tell you the story and guide you. I have linked one such channel that I referred before planning this this trip. I learned about this beach on her channel, and
I also found out about this train from YouTube that I took to visit the city centre one last time before flying to Ireland the next morning.
Puede que parezca una mentira, un juego y nada más, pero la verdad es que no me inspira. Puede que tu risa me distraiga, que te me pongas a hablar, pero la verdad es que no me engañas. Buenas palabras para ganar. Y quieres que te sigan tus pasitos, pero mira hacia atrás y verás que no hay nadie. El cielo se ilumina, rayos como un niño llora mamá. La guerra es tu basura y quieres que te sigan tus pasitos, pero mira hacia atrás y verás que no hay nadie. El cielo se ilumina, rayos como un niño llora mamá.
My final thoughts. There's a whole lot more to Barcelona that meets the eye. Hidden from what most of the tourists see is a place that belongs to a community that are fighting hard to maintain the authenticity of their culture and identity as Catalan people. That's me signing off. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.